Wow, the letters are alive. Let's see what A to Z will show us today.
A says A, apple, red and shiny.
B says B, ball, let's bounce.
C, cat, meow, let's play.
D says D, dog. He runs fast and wags his tail happily.
Look, red, yellow, blue. Colors make learning fun.
E says elephant, big, strong, and kind.
What comes after A? Can you say it loud?
Hop on the ABC train. A to Z is waiting for you.
Great job, kids. You learned A to Z with Lucas and Ruby. Keep smiling and subscribe for more fun learning.